We'll start with the changes taking place in matter. Now, in a matter, in the elements, we can see physical and chemical changes. What are the physical changes? When the structure it changes but comes back to the original, that is your physical change. So when we freeze water and the physical change can be seen, the physical change in a water can be seen from water. When we freeze it, they turn into the ice cubes. But if we keep the ice cubes back outside in the open environment, it changes again back to the liquid. So physically they change the form from liquid to solid, but then again we can change it, or otherwise also from liquid to solid when it changes. So liquid to solid, the change, there is a physical change, there is no chemical change. If we stretch a rubber band, it changes its shape, but the new material is not formed. So there is just the physical change. When we blow a balloon, the size increases, but it still remains a balloon. कुछ नया नहीं बनता है. So the physical change is there, but no chemical change. नई चीज़ बन के नहीं आती है. That is why we say the physical changes. So we can say the changes, the physical changes, they are reversible. If we freeze some water, it changes into ice cubes. Can ice cube be changed back to liquid? Yes. So it is a reversible process. If we stretch a elastic rubber band, it increases its length. Can we change it back? Yes. We can remove it and it again comes back to its original shape. If we blow a balloon, it changes its shape, but it's, if we remove the air from the balloon, it comes back to its original shape. So it is a reversible process. But few changes are there which cannot be reversed, which cannot be brought back. So they are called the chemical changes. How? We make curd from milk. Now, can you make milk from curd again? No. So the changes when in the milk which occurred and it has converted into curd, there is a chemical change has taken place there. So we say that it is a chemical change, just not physical form. The inside form has also changed. If we see some fruit on a tree, it is green in color, but after some time it ripens up. Can you change the ripens fruit into the, can you change it into the back form where it was still in the raw form? No, you cannot do it. If you burn the crackers, can you, and then it changes to the ashes, can the ashes be turned back to the cracker again? No. So such changes where we have the different form, that is called the chemical change and it is irreversible. So we have here physical and chemical changes. Please go through the table. It does come in exams. And with this, we complete the chapter. So we will start with the checkpoints. So on page number 53, we have checkpoint 1. Here they are give the appropriate terms here. So in the first one, molecules are tightly packed in this state of matter. So we have got solid, liquid and gas. In which state of matter the molecules are tightly packed? Solid. इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्स, इन व्हाट इज इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्स? दो मॉलिक्यूल्स के बीच में जो फोर्स होती है, अगर पास पास में है तो कम है, दूर दूर है तो ज़्यादा है. एम आई करेक्ट? नो. अगर वो पास पास है तो उसमें स्ट्रॉन्ग है, क्योंकि जो चीज़ जितनी पास होती है उसमें उतनी ही अट्रैक्शन ज़्यादा होती है. सो हियर द क्वेश्चन इज इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन आर वीकेस्ट इन द स्टेट ऑफ मैटर. किस में सबसे ज़्यादा वीकेस्ट होती है? गैस में, बिकॉज वो दूर दूर होते हैं तो उनमें अट्रैक्शन बिल्कुल कम होती है. थर्ड वन, मॉलिक्यूल्स पोजेस मैक्सिमम काइनेटिक एनर्जी इन द स्टेट ऑफ मैटर. गैस, जितनी ज़्यादा उनमें स्पेस होगी उतनी उनमें घूमने के लिए उनको जगह मिलेगी. मॉलिक्यूल्स पोजेस मिनिमम काइनेटिक एनर्जी इन द स्टेट ऑफ मैटर. सॉलिड. स्पेस बिटवीन मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ मैटर, दो मॉलिक्यूल्स के बीच में जो स्पेस होती है दैट इज कॉल्ड इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर स्पेस. चेक पॉइंट 2, पेज नंबर 59. Here, true or false. Sometimes in exams we get true or false and they ask to give the reasons. Please read the questions in exams properly and then answer it correctly. So here they have just asked whether true or false. If they had asked reasons, we would have written the reasons also. So here we just have to write the true or false, but we'll discuss the reason too. So solid can flow easily. Can it? No. Solid, they are fixed. So it is a false statement. Molecules are most loosely packed in liquid. It is again false, because in gases they are loosely packed. Gases can be compressed easily. True, because they have got more intermolecular space between them. Liquids have a fixed shape and fixed volume. False. Fixed shape and fixed volume. Fixed volume is correct, but not fixed shape, because whatever container you put the liquid will take its shape. So fixed volume is there. If we have 1 liter of water, it will remain 1 liter, whether you put it in any jar or beaker or any other place, any other container. So it has a fixed volume, but it does not have a fixed shape. Now checkpoint 3, please go to the checkpoint 3 yourself. In the next video we'll discuss checkpoint 3.